Hi guys, welcome. Glad to see you still here. You're watching my videos. It's very great. First of all, before I've started, I want to say that all the useful links you can find in the description panel below this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. As usual, I want to show you how the binary option works. This is my favorite hobby and I can gain money even on it. So let's try to show you what's happening on the binary option platforms. You have just two buttons, call and put. That's it, and you need to press one of them to predict the movement of the market. If your prediction will be correct, will be right, you will gain some money. Here you have the list of open assets that you can use. I choose 90% profitable asset, and here we go. I've pressed call button. That means that if this market movement will be higher than my prediction point, I will gain money. That's it. I've made my choice and I get $90. Let's move forward. To see the whole picture, you need to just scroll out a little bit to understand what is the trend. Yes, for me, trend is upgoing, and I believe that the market will go up. There's no signals opposite way. Let's see what's happening. Okay, there was a hole, and for now the movement is upgoing. The trend is upgoing. So in couple minutes you can make normal money, not big, but it's okay. Just in couple clicks you can make $100. All right, $90 more. New option. There's a widget that shows the prediction of all the people who are on the platform right now, who's trading right now, and you see all those sharp movements of the market can be a signal to make the opposite way bad. Okay, it's gonna go down. No, time is out. You need to make your prediction. As you see the purchase time, yeah, you need to make your prediction as close as possible to this line, because in that case you can see the whole picture, you can see the movement of this line more specific. So as you see, the graph is moving fast. Just in seconds it can change the way it moves, but in general the trend is upgoing. Okay, 22 seconds. Let's see what's gonna happen. You need to find the right place. Okay, it's 84% for now. Not bad at all. My amount, as usual, is $100, because I believe that anyone have $100, and anyone can try to make money on binary options. So if you want, I'll remind you that all the useful links under this video on the description panel. Just you need to know not a lot of information before you'll try to get money on the normal account, like usual money. Just before, try to do this on demo account, on training account, and if you'll go profitable, if you will go successful, you can make your first deposit and try to trade on real money. And my advice, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the first issue. The first issue is the safety, and I don't want you to lose money. I want you to gain money, and I want you to make big profits. And actually showing how to do this right now. So thanks you for watching this video. Not always my predictions and any predictions will be correct. So as you see, I've made a call bet. I've pressed the up button, yes, and the market is going down right now, so that means that I've lost $100. If such situation will occur, you need to make your amount 2.5 times bigger. Why? Because if you will make it, you can get back your money that you've spent already, and you can make a profit anyway, even if you've lost your previous bet. All right, great. So you see, this was the sharp movement, and it went down, and I believe that it's going to go up. In general trend, you remember, is upgoing for now. If you scroll out, if you scroll back, you can see the support levels, and it's about right here. So I believe that this movement, in this case, market will go up, and my prediction is correct, and I've won $210. That means that I've got back my money that I've spent on my previous bet and made a profit. That's it. That's easy, like 1, 2, 3. So if you want to try it yourself, do not invest much more money than you can afford to lose, and wish you good luck. Make sure that you've subscribed to my channel. See you in the next videos, and be careful, be wise, and wish you a great day and wish you big profits. See ya.